Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is give you a quick MELD update, specifically regarding a new NFT collection. So if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. A lot of new content is going to be coming out regarding MELD over the next couple weeks. Perhaps even more than before. So if you guys do get something out of this, and if I brought anything to your attention, or if you have any specific questions, guys, please comment them down below. The Moose wants to hear from you. So taking a look at on MELD. So if you guys are not following MELD, I recommend you do. MELD is a new layer 1 blockchain, and they now have tokens. They have their own decentralized exchange in Azomi and more. So specifically, I want to share love for two main things. One is we now have Pepe on Ethereum, which is now available on MELD. So MELD is supporting a lot of the top blockchains around the world, and they're going to be integrating fiat and crypto all in one. So it's going to be your neobank, right? But what I want to talk about, just share some love to the MELD Hive community. If you guys are not following them, I recommend that you do. That's only if you want to take part in more of the MELD community. So the MELD Hive have been around for a little while. They got a cool Telegram. So I'm part of the Raw Dog community, and I've been following MELD Hive. So I've been in there a little bit. We have fun. But yeah, I just want to share some love. So I'm supporting all projects. And ultimately, there is a new NFT. It's, the first ever NFT collection on MELD from MELD Hive. So this is a non-MELD related, but not a non-MELD related, but it's not a MELD specific NFT, but a MELD Hive NFT. So it's a MELD native, if we will. Okay, so it's launching on September 26th. So that's coming up very soon, within a week from now. So we got a little bit of detail. Let's dive into that. I'll zoom in. So this is what I think they'll look like. So right here in the back, there may be some rare ones, not too sure. But guys, comment down below if this is something you're going to pick up. So we are thrilled to announce the launch of MOLDER. So that's going to be the name of the NFT collection. The first proper NFT collection for MELD community from Hive. Okay, so Hive, again, you guys can follow them. Let's click on Hive to give you guys an example. This is Hive. So I'm not even following them on X, but I am now. So we got you covered there. But I am part of the Telegram. So click on the t.me. That should be the link to get you there. So the Telegram's fun. We got 500 users. You guys can join the Raw Dog one as well if you want. So let's get into the details. This is what you guys want. And again, not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. I'm probably going to pick one up as long as I'm available that day. I got a lot going on business-wise, but we'll see what's up. So total supply, 2,000 MOLDER NFTs. So not an egregious amount there. So I like that. Available for purchase. So there's 1,900 available. 3,000 MELD per NFT. So that's not a bad price point. Reserved for giveaways, partnerships, 100 NFTs. So that's where the other 100 is coming from. It's going to be reserved for that. So it's September 26th. Specific time will follow next week. So I will perhaps keep you guys up to date with that as best as I can. But as I mentioned, guys, follow on your own. So I'm giving you guys the tools, a little bit of the skills so that you can then take what you've learned and make your own informed decisions. So I'm never going to tell you what to do. I'm going to share with you how you can do things if you wish to. And I'm also going to share with you what I am currently doing. So that's about it for the info. Why mint with MELD and not Hive? The funds will be used to not only gradually acquire Hive tokens, so they do have Hive tokens, you can pick them up on Azomi, but to diversify our risk by investing in a range of other tokens, okay? So yeah, that's about it. Just stay tuned for that. I just wanted to share some love. There's a lot going on with MELD. I'm going to be doing a specific MELD video, so stay tuned for that. In fact, something was announced recently for testers. So MELD is currently looking for testers. I'm waiting for some information to drop before I can create content around it. If it doesn't, I'll just talk about it as best as I can. So you guys should be listening into these Twitter spaces. So that's where I just got some info, and I'm waiting on specific information. So guys, head over to the link tree. I will have links for you. Perhaps when that MOLDER NFT comes out, I will have it up here underneath the MELD node sale. So guys, regarding MELD, you can pick up a MELD node. This is not an affiliate link, but yeah, let's see. The node will open up again in 13 days. So maybe a couple weeks, then we'll be able to mint our static nodes. Not quite sure, but I will keep you up to date. So yeah, guys, pick up a hardware wallet. You guys know what to do. We'll see you in the next one.